This is an unboxing of a Lenovo T16 Gen5. First, just a charger. It's like the usual 65-watt USB-C. Regulatory papers. Let's go over the ports as well. So on this side, just the Kensington lock slot, full-size Ethernet, USB-A, a combo audio port. This would be smart card reader option, but they don't have that on this one. It's the front, the little lip. And then here, just two USB-C, full-size HDMI, another USB-A, and that's SIM card slot option if you had that. This one doesn't have that. On the back, or on the bottom, just a reset hole right there. Take a look inside. These feel generally the same. I don't see anything different except this backspace there. I feel like that's a new row of keys at the top of the number pad. Yeah. And then just the privacy switch for the webcam, and that's it.